Pentel Graphgear 1000 0.5 lead. So this was some kind of a dream, I would say. I just always wanted to buy this. I thought of making a review of it. Last time I did a review of it was a brush pen that was also from Pentel. These things are not as easily available. Even if they are quite costly here in my country, India. So whenever I buy these things, I feel like let's make a video of it, because these are definitely dreams of a lot of people, a lot of artists like me. So this was the unboxing. I don't know, I never did it before on camera. I think not this properly, at least. So this is the first time I did it. This is what it is for you, and I have actually loved the feel of this pencil. The front of it, they have got a grip, and that helps me hold it very smoothly, and it makes me draw really well. You know, it is some kind of a feeling which I think that you guys, if you buy it, then only you would understand. So I would highly recommend this as far as unpacking is concerned. And then let's start drawing. I definitely started drawing with a simple portrait, just from my mind. It was not any photograph or something. I just thought of drawing a face of a girl and see how it goes. The lead inside it at that time was HB, even though I have as you could see that I have bought this 4B LEDs so that I can get some darker values on my drawings with the help of this one. So then I tried some dog portraits and all. Everything was from the mind, or things that sit on my table around me. But I just wanted to fiddle around with the thing, and it really looked good. It was really good. So I would highly recommend buying this one. Let me know in the comments below if you have already bought it.